bitch is mean though.
Like, don't they know that can cause a fire? Like,
What?
you start driving, them niggas put fires to the rim.
What? Yo, you know I seen a nigga with motherfucking that nigga had TV screens on the fucking footstool thing that you step on.
The nigga in the blazer?
I don't know what
orange
it was.
blazer?
I think
One
so,
nigga
yeah.
had a TV screen right in the front bumper. Nigga, this nigga had TV screens with a step beat up. They was outside,
yo,
like they get rained on.
I was like, yo, that's fucking crazy.
That's what money do.
I guess so.
Dade County.
It just stopped raining.
It just stopped raining,
like
and now I'm about to make it rain.
About to make it rain?
No, I'm not. I'm about to make it drizzle.
Jay, what's popping? Say something for the camera.
Popping in the drizzle.
He said, nah. B. Blake Campbell.
Alright, yo, back to Miami, 2008.
Oh, okay. Got a business call?
Slow rain, weekly update for the day. 80, feeling good. Ain't hot as shit.
About to go get some wings.
About to go get some wings.
Steve, what you doing? Got the CD? You get the CD?
Nah, this ain't my shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know we got up in the cup.
Oh, you got the video shit?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
We gonna have to get another.
I know, some more memory cards, yo. You already know. It's a magazine. What's that?
You're a little rap fanatic.
Okay.
No, we gonna have to do another confessional.
Yeah, you know, man.
Do a confessional.
You know me, and you know this shit gonna be wobbly as a motherfucker. So I don't know. I mean, fuck it. You know what I mean? It don't matter. Check out those sides. Dade County. Fucking ready. You know, yeah, you know this shit is gonna be wobbly as a motherfucker. Niggas be like.